Real quick before the video starts, there is a link in the description. We are selling our old bags because yes, the title is true. So it's very exciting. We have been using these bags for 4 years and now one of you gets them, so that'll be exciting.
These bags have 60 countries of traction on them, but they look brand new, so one of you could be very happy with one of our bags. We love them and we want them to go to one of you way fam.
Alright, link is in the description, make sure to check it out.
4 years ago, we was a lot younger. Our bags was a lot newer too. But I think it's time we put the bags in retirement before the bags put us in retirement. You okay? Cheers.
Prost?
Prost indeed.
Do you look in each other's eyes?
Oh, shoot.
Prost.
Prost. Prost. In case you haven't guessed by the title, we have finally got new bags.
Yeah, we have spent so much time looking and searching for bags online, but it seems that there was something else in the cards and we decided to just go for it.
Yeah, so we have been looking for the last several years for the perfect bags.
We do love our bags that we had. We had town bend bags, but we've had them for 4 years, almost 4 years.
And they're still going strong.
Yeah, and they're great and they're like in amazing condition for us living out of them, but the only way to carry them is on your back or slung over, and I am so over that.
We're wearing out faster than the bags are. So to put it out there, we've been using them for 4 years and they're fantastic. We're just tired of carrying them. That's the only thing.
Yeah, so I have been searching for a company to partner with and we just have not found ones that we think are like absolutely amazing, as well as we've never traveled with roller bags. So we actually don't know if we're gonna like it or love it, although I have an inkling this is life-changing.
And she has been like basically dying to get a new bag.
I'm so ready.
Every single time we pick up our bag, she goes, I'm done. She's like, I'm so ready to have a roller bag.
Yeah, and we're in Europe again, so we're doing a lot of like train travel and
there's like zero roughing it.
Yeah, a lot of plane travel, so it's like mostly train travel. It's like way nicer to have roller bags in those situations than having to lug things on and off when you're transferring trains, getting from place to place. Yeah. I'm so excited about this. So the thing that we ended up doing was we went in looking around for bags, and I already have been looking, so I know of some things that I really want, but I didn't necessarily know what the price points were gonna be in this TK Maxx. I thought maybe because it's in Europe it would be more expensive, but the very first bag I saw, I was like, oh, that one is nice. The color is nice.
And then I saw it and secretly I was like, ooh, that's really nice.
There are 4 wheels. A little like thing on the wheels that I like is that it kind of looks like a flower on the wheel. And then another thing that I have noticed in some roller bags that I really, really like
for the carry-ons.
For the carry-ons is a laptop like flap on the very front so that you can put your laptop in it, and then when you take it onto the plane, all you have to do is in security is slip your laptop out, put it through security, and then slip it back in. Super simple and easy. A lot of airlines have changed their baggage policy, and so our large bags, either we sneak them on as carry-ons or we end up paying, and for the most part we've been ending up paying
the last year or so.
A lot of them are like they only allow 7 kilos, and our bags are currently like 15 to 16 kilos each. So the idea is that we get one large bag that we check and then one carry-on, instead of having our 2 carry-ons, which we've been checking both of them. So we're actually ending up to saving money, hopefully, by having one bag that we check, the only bag that we'll be paying for, and then we'll have a backpack and our carry-on that we can take onto the plane.
So this sounds like a bit of a challenge, doesn't it? Taking 4 bags and fitting it into 3.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take you through that. We're gonna show you the bags that we got, and just to clarify, this is not a sponsorship. We found these at TK Maxx. They're like 60 or 70% off of retail price. We spent a total of $150 to get the 2 bags.
But that's a great price. These bags originally sell for $170 each.
Right.
Which is awesome. But what I think Josh was getting at is that we have not used these bags yet, and we have not put all our things in it, so we cannot.
And we travel tomorrow.
Advise you to get them until we've used them.
They actually don't make this model anymore because it's like a discount retailer, so we bought an old model too.
Yeah, the color is awesome.
But it's
We're not
great.
sure if everything's gonna fit, so let's go try and pack
stuff it all in. This is literally us trying to figure out how to put all of our stuff from 4 bags into 3.
And together. We have never packed together.
Never packed together. Great.
Here, you're gonna need this.
Do ya? Ta-da! These are our bags.
This is life changing.
Okay, so this is the deal. We've got this bag as our check bag, and we have this bag as a carry-on, and then we're also going to use Ashley's black bag as an additional carry-on. So this is our 3 bags that we're going to use, and then we're hopefully getting rid of this one. Ashley has a giant one back there, and then mine is, oh, technically it's over there still. Real quickly, the things that we like about these. They're lightweight, hard plastic. They have
4 wheels.
4 wheels on the bottom.
I'm not a fan of the ones with the 2 wheels.
We rolled them over cobblestone today. They worked great.
They were awesome.
You know, the classic little handly thing. These are the Calpac Wander series. I'm pretty sure they don't make these anymore because we checked out their website and could not find them.
Therefore, they're at TK Maxx.
But they have a 2-year warranty in the US, so that's great.
And they also have a little key so you can lock them up with the zippers.
This is 60 liters, so you can see it's quite large. As
I
you would
love
expect.
the interior. Sometimes they have really strange interior in suitcases, but this is really understated and has a really nice like zigzag pattern.
It's got a little pocket here. It's got a separator with several elastic pockets as well as a mesh pocket. Really nice.
Yeah.
This one is pretty straightforward. It's just a check bag. So there you have it. The carry-on bag is a little bit cooler. It's small. It's carry-on size. And then right here in the front, we have a laptop sleeve that opens up.
Which could fit both of our laptops.
We could put 2 laptops in here, as well as extra cables and different things, and it's got the hard shell case on it to protect it. So your laptop doesn't have to be exposed to the elements. And just like the other big bag, we have a matching interior, which is just, again, a great color.
Yeah.
Elastic pockets, mesh pockets.
Because it does have that front pocket, there is not a lot of space here in this top pocket.
No, but
here.
this is a carry-on, so.
Yeah.
And then you got a little room here for all the stuff. So the plan is we're going to put the most of the clothes in the big bag, and then as much of the electronics and expensive stuff that we really don't want to lose in the carry-on bag.
Yeah. Also, I mentioned the wheels have like a little flower. There it is. And this backpack, I actually got it knowing that it has this flap right here that you can literally put on the back, on the top of here. So it'll fit directly onto our carry-on, and so we won't have to have it on our backs. It's a little heavy, but if we're carrying it, no big deal.
It'll balance out.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Oh man.
I think what we're gonna do now is we're just going to time-lapse us trying to stuff everything into our bags, and we'll keep you updated if any major issues occur.
Yeah.
We're losing an entire bag in this. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I don't know.
It has to work. It has to, unless we both use our backpacks, which is possible too.
We'll see.
Ew.
First round attempt, failure.
We can't zip it.
We cannot zip this closed, at least not safely without like popping the zipper first try.
That would be so sad.
So we're gonna probably just need to like, I think if we actually like kind of spread things out, it's kind of piled in. I think if we spread it out, it might be better. But that would mean that we'd have to pack like perfectly every single time, and sometimes we're in a little bit of a hurry.
Yeah.
So maybe we just need to like take some stuff out, get it to close properly, and then just see how we can fit stuff into the other bags. What do you think?
I think like my socks and underwear, if I just take those out of here and maybe put them in the other one,
Yeah.
we might be good.
Okay, we'll try taking the socks and underwear out. Okay.
The right one.
Yeah, okay. Socks and underwear out.
It worked.
Yeah, okay, so that fits. Let's see how heavy it is.
Probably so heavy.
I'm gonna try not to pull a disc. I mean, that's pretty heavy, but it's not like crazy heavy.
Okay.
And it still maneuvers pretty good. All right, so there are some things that were in both of our bags that we did not fit in there. Some random things, some sunscreen, first aid, a little electronics bag of miscellaneous stuff, socks and underwear.
A belt, some goggles.
Was this in there?
Yes.
Okay. I had my drone in there. I don't usually carry it in there, but I did this time. So this is all the stuff that didn't fit.
And my jackets, which I usually keep on the outside.
Yeah. So,
But this would fill up this bag easy.
yeah, but we also have some more. Okay, so I feel like we're doing okay, but we'll see in a second. Well, okay, we're gonna try and fill up the carry-on now. We do have one more backpack that we can fill up, but it's already kind of full of stuff. What do you have in here?
GoPro stuff.
Okay. Oh.
I mean, like soap and conditioner.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't need.
We're gonna keep stuffing. We decided that we were gonna basically give this to Ashley with the exception of carrying the drone and the GoPro stuff. And then I was gonna try and take over just this one little carry-on. We basically have everything. There's a tripod which is holding the camera up.
Which is not small.
It's not small. My laptop is technically out, although that should be fine. So we're just gonna try and close these two things up and see if they'll fit. And that's most things. There are some things that haven't quite fit, but we'll find a way. This one is fairly easy right now. It'll be a little bit harder once I have all the cords and the laptop in, but.
Oh, this one is not easy.
No? Is it going though without breaking?
The sides are easy.
Because mine zipped fairly easy.
It's this middle part, look, it's warping.
Oh yeah, that's because there's way too much right here.
There's nothing in here, it's just a tiny little thing there. Oh, my underwear. I need underwear.
No, I almost guarantee you, if you got this out of the way, and see, the thing is we're also carrying jackets because the weather changes all the time. I think jackets is one of our main issues right now. In fact, one of them I'm gonna have to just straight up carry on. So.
Yeah, I for sure will have to carry on.
Like if I take this sweater out, it should close no problem.
But I took my jacket out too.
Jacket and sweater out?
But I have this jacket.
Let's just see.
Maybe this jacket can fit.
Let's just see what happens. Okay, so this will close easily without the sweater and jacket.
Dang it.
Does that mean?
Every travel day I have to wear my boots. Every travel day I will literally have the same outfit. Don't touch me.
Because you need boots and sweater on the outside of the bag. Dang, this is really. We're just straight up gonna have to
get rid of stuff.
We're going to have to get rid of things, and I already have a few ideas. Some of the stuff I want to keep though, so I might just send it home. But other things, I just don't know if we have time to like sell them while we're traveling, and I don't want to just get rid of them because they're stuff that could make us a little bit of extra cash. But selling things while you're traveling is really difficult because you have to like plan ahead to sell it in a location, and then like meet up with somebody while you're traveling. And it's really weird.
Okay, so that's doable, but now I have like my notepad,
Yeah.
my pens, my computer charger. Do you have enough space for your laptop and everything in there?
Yeah, mine wasn't super stuffed, so I should be fine. This feels doable. So we're going on a road trip with a friend whom you'll see very shortly, and we may have to just carry some of this stuff until we can like get rid of it.
I feel like that fits.
Yeah,
but I can't fit much more in there.
Yeah. All right. So basically, I have my laptop here, and then a tiny little electronics bag, which is the cables and converter and different things right there. Ashley has a few other bits and bobs plus the jackets. I still have my jacket, but we basically fit everything in one check bag.
Minus jackets and boots.
That's what I'm saying,
We're both wearing boots every travel day.
Yeah, so one check bag, 2 carry-ons, and we do hope to get rid of some things, that's for sure. So that is our adventure of trying to downsize a little bit and also ease our travel days specifically by having rolly bags that are easy to carry without us having to lug them on our backs.
I'll have to let you know how it goes.
We'll keep you posted on how it actually goes, but the idea is that we aren't going to break our backs and get all nasty sweaty on travel days.
Yeah, the hardest part is like when we're going up and down like metros and they don't have like an escalator, then we'll have to do stairs.
Yeah.
But I think that for the most part, this will be better travel for us.
Yes, as soon as we get rid of a few extra little bits and bobs.
Yeah, which means we can't get anything new.
All right, Way Fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. We will see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
And
But also
bye.
down below, let us know how you travel with roller bags or
curious.
carry. Let us know.
Bye.
Bye.